is at the CSU library.
Another elevator. GAL or monitor?
Monitor.
You know, in New York, that's the only thing they have.
I know, I was
Here we
thinking, like,
never
if this
see
was
it.
New York, we'd be like, boring.
Contacts are just regular. Yeah. Modernized from something. Probably Westernized.
Yeah, I don't
Maybe
know what this
Dover.
was. I'd say Dover, maybe like Rotary Dover.
I don't know. It's a weird elevator. There's the monitor panel.
Dover. It was all. It's all blue.
Right, so it's hit
Whoa! Look at that.
2. What happened? Oh, they indicator? Yeah, the original indicator. Oh, there's 2! That is cool. No, that is really neat.
Whoa!
Whoa.
It's a water hydro.
It is?
Yeah, because it leveled down. Water hydros do that. They overshoot and then level down.
Oh, well, let's try it twice.
Yes.
So you think it's still running water?
Uh-huh. That's what I would reckon.
It's funny, the button there is LED, but the 2 button was not. Can you double view it?
Yep. Well, that's nice. At least there's something original.
Kinda. Panel's been replaced. But for Denver, monitor is an interesting fixture. Or for Colorado, not Denver.
Colorado, yeah, Denver too.
Even in Denver it is. I think I've only seen like what, one elevator in Denver with monitor?
Yeah, the one
In that one building, the
Metropolitan.
Metropolitan Cheese Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's got an incandescent light. The mod has to have been pretty old. It does smell like hydraulic.
What?
It smells like hydraulic fluid.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I wonder if it just over leveled. Let's watch it. It just over levels.
That's weird that it does that. That is odd.
Yeah, I was gonna say water hydros are rare.
Yeah, they're a bit older than that. You're right. That's neat, regardless, though.
Over, the door frames for
That's it.